Mitosis versus meiosis. When we look at the differences between mitosis and meiosis, we see that they are both processes of cell division. However, the processes have differences too. Mitosis involves the copying or replicating of cells and their genetic material during the processes of growing and also when repairing tissues. The process of meiosis involves the making of sex cells, known as gametes, these being sperm and egg cells. Take this typical animal cell, with its cell membrane surrounding the cytoplasm and the nucleus within this. In the nucleus, we find the genetic code that is DNA, tightly coiled together, making a chromosome, these found in pairs inside the nucleus, and in humans, we have 46 chromosomes in our cells, arranged in 23 pairs, but not in red blood cells, where there are none, or in sperm and egg cells, our gametes, where each have only 23 single chromosomes. So let's study the processes in more detail. During mitosis, where cells are replicated during the processes of growing and repairing cells, the chromosomes replicate and make chromatids. These then line up down the nucleus and are then pulled apart, moving to the poles, where the nuclear membrane divides and splits, forming two daughter cells, these being clones or identical to the parent cell that they formed from, meaning that in mitosis, the daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes as the parent.
That's amazing!
During meiosis, where sex cells or gametes, our sperm and eggs, are made, the chromosomes replicate. The homologous pairs match up, swapping sections of DNA. The nucleus then splitting and making two daughter nuclei, but these then divide again, making these 4 more daughter cells. The resulting 4 cells are called gametes, because when compared to their original parent, they are not identical, as gametes have half the number of chromosomes and also contain only single chromosomes, which when fused during fertilization can lead to genetic variation.
Wow!
Mitosis versus meiosis. Now we know the difference. Have you seen our video about Octoso, explaining how to remember the order of how living things are built?
Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!